Paul, Craftsman Tools, you're a designer and manufacturer of tooling and fixturing. How long has the company been established?
The company was established in 1953 and we celebrated our 65th anniversary in April this year.
Some time to be in business, 65 years. What do you think is the kind of secret to the company's success?
Well, we supply the full package from design, manufacture to supply, and we also are noted for our quality and delivery.
Who is the purchaser of your product? Do end users buy sort of tooling and fixturing from you, or do you supply directly into the OEMs, or is there both markets?
It's both markets now. It used to be more OEMs, but now we do both. We're more than happy to send them all towards the OEM, and we're also happy to work with the end user.
And I believe you're quite an embracer of apprenticeship schemes here. Did I hear that you won an award a year or two ago?
Yes, we've got an award-winning apprentice school. We try and take on 3 apprentices a year, and actually I'm one of the first apprentices as well.
This Matsura installation, in your opinion, how much of a difference has it made to the company and the operation here?
It's made a massive difference. It's one area we didn't think would go down. Other companies around us have done, and I'm really glad that we have taken that step.
And the products that you supply, are they standard products, or is it a lot of bespoke stuff, off-the-shelf items, or do you get involved in the majority of senses in designing equipment?
We have a standard range which are in our catalogues and on our website, but we also do bespoke to the customer's needs at that time.
And business has grown a lot in recent times, hence the investment. Do you see that continuing? I mean, is it the domestic market, or are you tending to export more of your product these days?
We expect over 75% of our products globally, and I see that growing as the market expands.